Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update install error 0x00700020 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution will be to check the internet speed. Go to fast.com and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab. Scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The last solution will be to reset Windows Update components, and we have a script for you. So here's what you can do. Copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste the script here. Now I'll tell you what it does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLL files. It will reset WinSock and finally to restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.